So if you haven't realized yet, one of the things that I love to do is travel. And the type of trucking that we do lets us do a lot of it. And not just traveling, but stopping and seeing the things. Supreme Court. I'm just a Bill, and I'm sitting here on Capitol Hill. For those of you that are old enough to remember that, just tell them what I'm being. This is my buddy Juan. I just met Juan. He hung out and talked to us. Say hi, Juan.
How you doing?
And he's not arresting me today, so
No.
It's a good day. It's a good day.
Night's not over yet, though.
Yeah, no kidding. Good night, Juan.
Good night. Nice meeting you.
See you guys. And another night is done. Another day of travel. DC was a blast. Good dinner, great service, Capitol Grill. If you like what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.